Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $150? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $150 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EasyThreed K9 Mini 3D Printer. If you are new to 3D printers, the K9 is your best choice. It is small and can be placed in classrooms, dormitories or desks. The operation is simple. The K7 only has 3 buttons. Insert the TF card into the printer and press the print button to start printing. At the same time, this is the beginning of your learning about 3D modeling and slicing software. We offer software for Windows and Mac. Leveling is the most important part of using this printer. Press the 1 button to start leveling, and when the nozzle touches the magnetic plate, disconnect the power and start leveling. When finished, press the 2, 3, 4 button and repeat the previous steps. If the printer is not leveled correctly, the magnetic plate may be crushed by the nozzle and damaged. If the nozzle is too far from the magnetic plate, the printed model will not stick to the magnetic plate. Please read the leveling manual or video carefully. The printer is fully open source and you can make any changes according to your needs. At the same time, you can also select the software that suits you, voxel maker, Cura, etc. K9 printers machine are much easier to use for beginners. It comes with a unique key system that allows you to start, stop and easily control the printing process. The nozzle is heated evenly. It only takes 5 minutes, and the temperature of the nozzle can reach 180 degrees, which can meet the temperature requirements of the PLA material pressure. All EasyThreed printers support 1-year warranty and provide lifetime technical support. If you have any problems after receiving the product, including product damage caused by the shipping process, you can contact us for a free replacement. Number 2. EasyThreed K7 Mini 3D Printer. The Mini 3D printer is super easy to use. Children and beginners are able to grasp it quickly. The accuracy is as low as 0.1 mm, which allows a smooth and alive printing effect. It's an excellent tool for kids to develop interest and improve spatial imagination. Note: this Mini 3D printer does not have the function of resume printing. It will print from the beginning when there is a power failure. The Mini 3D printer DIY kit consists of 2 main parts. Usually it can be assembled in just 5 minutes according to the assembly video. It is easy to use even for children. You can print the attached model or your own design. Note: the filament holder can point inwards or outwards, which does not affect the use. The 3D printer is equipped with the latest extruder technology, which rarely causes problems such as nozzle clogging and poor extrusion. The nozzle is a professional all-metal nozzle. The size is 0.4 mm. It reaches the operating temperature 180 C in 3 minutes. The motors and nozzle are well protected to prevent you from burning. The 3D printer comes with modeling software both for Windows and Mac. You can create and download 3D models to TF card, then insert it into the 3D printer to print. You can also download 3D models online to print. The online printing function is only applicable to Windows. The noise is lower than 60 decibels and does not affect the rest or the work of other people. Suitable for children, teachers, offices, dormitories, classrooms, families, etc. It can also be used as an exquisite gift for family and friends. Mini portable. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 uses a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 4096 x 2560, which can display the model's tiny details. This can fully meet the printing needs of miniature models, and is a very good choice for upgrading from FDM printers to LCD printers. Compare with ordinary matrix light source. ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix provides a more stable and uniform parallel light source, which can effectively reduce the layer lines and eliminate grid lines. Therefore, Photon Mono 2 can make the model details more vivid and the model surface delicate and smooth. The printing volume of Photon Mono 2 is 165 by 143 by 89, which is larger than that of Photon Mono 4K of the same machine size. It can meet the needs of saving placement space and printing large models. Photon Mono 2 adopts laser engraved platform. It has excellent flatness, which can increase model adhesion and greatly improve printing success rate. An LCD screen protector has also been enlarged to better protect the screen from accidents such as resin leaks and scratches. Photon Workshop 3.0 has enhanced and upgraded core features such as slicing, punching, support adding, shells extracting, and model arrangement. It has a more straightforward slicing process and a new UI interface that is easy to operate. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Wash Mono 2 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 3 Plus upgraded the washing size 8.97'X5.03'X10.23', and compared with Wash and Cure Plus, the washing volume of the washing basket is increased by about 13.4% to 7.6 liters, which is suitable for more LCD 3D printers like Photon Mono M5S, Saturn 3 series or other 10.6 inches and below. Due to the innovative FlexiCure gooseneck-like design, Wash and Cure 3 Plus can increase the energy value by 30,000 microwatts per square centimeter in the 1-3 centimeters irradiation range, which greatly enhances the solidification effect of the top of the model, the figure skirt, and other subtle areas, plus the light tube can be twisted, making it more convenient to use. The ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 3 Plus features a brand new arrangement of lamp beads combined with a lens light source. It offers a 20% improvement in curing uniformity than previous generation Wash and Cure Plus. This results in a more thorough and comprehensive overall cure of the model, ensuring better quality and consistency. The dual-layer PP material cleaning basket supports washing with platform and rust-resistant. It is equipped with two adjustable heights of 150mm and 250mm, allowing printing platforms from 6.6 to 10.6 inches. Maximizing alcohol usage efficiency. Number 5. EasyThreed X1 DIY 3D Printer. For beginners, if you don't know how to use 3D slicing software, you can directly download the model file, code file, to the TF card, insert it into the printer, and start printing. Press the plus button to put the material in. If you need to replace or remove the material, press the button and wait for a while to pull it out. After the material is put in, press the play button to start printing. The X1 3D printer is also suitable for children, but it needs to be done under the guidance of parents. Leveling is the most important part of using this printer. Press the home button to start leveling. When the nozzle touches the magnetic plate, disconnect the power and start leveling. If the printer is not leveled properly, the magnetic plate may be damaged by being squeezed by the nozzle. If the nozzle is too far from the magnetic plate, the printed model will not stick to the magnetic plate. Please watch the leveling manual or video carefully. The printer's nozzle uses a professional all-metal nozzle to ensure the best printing temperature and minimize the risk of printing errors. In addition, the printer's kit has a layer resolution of up to 0.05 mmR. Guarantees the accuracy of the print model. Dual fans provide better heat dissipation for faster and more even modeling. X1 printers machine are much easier to use for beginners. It comes with a unique key system that allows you to start, stop and easily control the printing process. The nozzle is heated evenly. It only takes 5 minutes, and the temperature of the nozzle can reach 180 degrees, which can meet the temperature requirements of the PLA material pressure. All EasyThreed printers support 1-year warranty and provide lifetime technical support. If you have any problems after receiving the product, including product damage caused by the shipping process, you can contact us for a free replacement.